So what is up, everyone? This is my Galaxy S6 from Samsung, and the battery is nearly completely dead. It doesn't hold a charge more than like 4 to 5 hours with use and something like 8 to 9 hours without use. So it's time to change that. Stay tuned. So to achieve this, I have ordered a battery set from Hanganem. No, it's called Hagnaven battery. It looks like that. It's from Norway and it comes with all the tools included. So yeah, let's have a look if we can do this. So let's have a look in this box. So it comes with a plectrum, a suction mount, the battery itself, a few things to get the back panel off, and a few screwdrivers and 2 sticky things. So let's get started. So the first step to do is to power off your cell phone. And it's off. So the next step is to get the SIM card out, and I use a paperclip for that because I don't know where the remover tool is. And there it comes. So now comes the nerve-wracking part, which is getting the glued-in back plate, which is glass by the way, away from the cell phone itself, and that is by using heat. I will use a hairdryer, but fingers crossed that the glass don't breaks. So this is really not an easy job, so you can really break your phone by doing that. So yeah, be responsible, and yeah. Away it goes. So, with a little bit of heat, I managed to get away all of this residue on the outside, and now I have revealed 13 screws right around the center frame, and they all have to come out. So this will be the next step. The next step is to get the NFC antenna loose by putting a card under it. Like so. So now the display should come off, and you do that with the plunge and by pressing against the battery, but be really careful that you don't destroy the display. There we go. We have our two parts. So now the next step comes with having a look at the battery. So the battery is held in by glue, and the first thing to do to get this free is to get the connector off, which is sitting right up here. There we go. Now we need to get the battery out of there. So let's put this thing back together, and the first thing is to place the new battery in there, connect it up. Press it down firmly. Like so. And then put over the frame. So now that the display is back in, I will have to put in those screws again. So let's do that. So now you apply your sticky pads. Then you peel off those two strings, and then you reattach your back plate. There we go. And we now have a finished Samsung Galaxy S6 back together with a new battery in it. So last step to remain is to put back in the SIM card. There we go. Now the remaining thing to do is to put this battery onto charge before you use it, and then you will be happy. So I increased the lifespan of my cell phone quite a lot with this, so yeah. If you find this enjoyable and helpful, thank you for watching. Goodbye.